Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Ako po si Martin Rivera, greeting you on this very, very special day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Sana nag-enjoy ka ngayon and I hope you get all the blessings that you have been asking for. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
And happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there, wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Greetings! Greetings from Manila.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa'yo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you, to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
Ikaw ang bigay at tugon sa panalangin ko. Sa'yo ulang ibibigay ang puso kong ito.
Kahit na malayo ka, aking sinta, ang puso ko kailan ba'y di magbabago.
Sana'y makapiling na kita sa araw at gabi makasama ka. Alam mong miss na miss kita, sana'y nandito ka.
Loving you, I thought, was just a game that I can always play any day. But now it's so much harder, and I see your eyes, your tears are falling as you turn. Even if you want to go alone, I will be waiting when you're coming home. If you need someone to ease the pain, you can lean on me. My love will still remain.
Tulad ko rin ba kayo na minsan di ko maiwasan na itanong sa sarili ko kung hanggang saan ba ako, kung saan ba ako dadali ng tadhana, kung saan ba ako dadali ng sitwasyon at ng sarili ko ngayon. Kasi minsan nakakaramdam din ako ng pagod, pero wala namang choice kundi lumaban palagi dahil yun lang naman talaga ang dapat. Kaya kung katulad lang din kita, lagi kang lumaban sa buhay, lagi kang magsumikap na maabot lahat ng mga bagay na gusto mo. Di naman lahat ng gusto mong matupad ay isang pitik lang. Lahat ng tagumpay at mga bagay na gusto mong matupad, pagod, puyat at hirap ang dapat mong isakripisyo. Tapos huwag kang susuko hanggang sa makuha mo na lahat. Kaya ikaw, alam kong katulad lang din kita. Lumalaban ng patas sa buhay, gumagawa ng paraan para maging maganda.